Wasuru nyakoro Ramogi jagoro mongirore migao mar arita Dr. Oimore Yangore piny owacho osechuga put mag kelo kwe e telo mag loch nanga duto mapacho kae chenro mar nyayo kwe e kor gwenge.
Kolose kinde nyasi mar Yangore mar ndalo adek ewi weche mag nyayo kwe boma Nairobi. Dr. Oimore bende olero ni gitiyo kod weche mag tudruok gi lony manyasani e okenge mag keto kwe e kind ogendni. Korka kore jakom mar duol mochung' ne riwo Uganda jo Kenya pacho ka Dr. Samuel Kobia oyango ni kiew ema kelo lweny e kind ogendni mapacho ka kendo kwayo piny owacho mondo mi onywand migepe mopogore opogore e tieko lweny mabedo nikech kiew.
And a framework within which
on the PS, one of the studies we have made has revealed that in 33 counties out of the 47 counties, boundary issues are part of the triggers of conflict. 33 out of 47 counties. So this shows that the whole issue of boundary is something that needs to be approached. And again, it can only be approached through multi-agency approach.
We have institutionalized peace building through the formalization of local peace committees within the national government administration structures that transcend up to the lowest administrative unit in the country. This has proved to be one of the surest ways of guaranteeing robust, homegrown, and community-led solutions to conflict that appreciate our diversity. Second, we have harnessed digital tools to amplify peace-building initiatives and explore sustainable strategies. Effective use of digital space and technology has expanded the conversation and reached larger audiences, including the youth, to ensure social cohesion and local ownership of peace-building intents.